Hello everyone, I am so excited about my second food security class that I'm going to be holding on October 24th here at the Living Well Homestead. I wanted to give you a little sneak peek into some of the things I'm going to be showing you because as fall is coming, as COVID rates have increased, we're seeing that food shortages are actually starting to become a thing. If you've noticed, there are some things that you can't get again, and there are some things that prices are really rising on. So we have to make sure that we're on top of this, that we have ways that we can provide for our own family, whether it be raising our own food, growing our own food, preserving our own food, or making our own food from staples that we can store in our homes long term and not have to always go to the grocery store and be reliant on food chains and food supplies because they're shaky at best. And I think that we found during these times that we can't really rely that things are going to be the same as they always have been. We've always been able to go to the store and get a loaf of bread, but we don't know that we'll always be able to in the future. So we really need to plan ahead for it. So just a sneak peek into some of the things I'm going to show you how to do. Right here on my countertop are some seeds. These are, I got these from a melon. These are melon seeds. There's some tomato seeds. That doesn't look very fancy, and it's not. What it is it's just a very simple way to take the harvest that you have in your garden right now and turn them into potential food next year. So I'm going to show you how to do that. They came from these beautiful heirloom tomatoes right here. I love these heirloom tomatoes, and not only are these heirloom tomatoes beautiful, but they're also incredibly nutritious because all of those beautiful colors are full of antioxidants, and those antioxidants are the things that help us be resistant to disease, that help our immune systems be stronger, all of those kinds of things. I want to show you what we're going to be doing with those tomatoes, and these are some of the things I teach you as well as how to make food like this that your family's going to just rave about from the foods that you produce and then grow. So this is just a really yummy salad that we're going to be having for our dinner today. I'm going to show you a couple other things that we're going to be making today, or that I've already made today, that we're going to have for our dinner, because you'll see that this kind of food is the kind of food that feeds you and nourishes you so that you have strong bodies. So this is one thing we're going to be having. This is a cookie sheet full of our homegrown broccoli and cauliflower. You can see it's almost fluorescent. The color is so bright and vibrant. Again, that is full of antioxidants. That's the kind of food that you want to feed your family if you're going to be healthy and well. Not only that, but what I find is this food feeds my family, meaning it fills them. They're not as hungry. They're not searching in the fridge for things because this food actually does something for them. This is the other thing that we're cooking today. So this is my really beautiful heirloom beets, Chioggia beets. I have red beets, orange beets, yellow beets, sweet potatoes, onions, carrots, just a whole big tray, a couple of them actually, whole big 2 trays of root vegetables coming out of the garden. Now, why do we have 2 big trays? Well, we have 8 people that are eating with us, but we're not going to eat that all today. Those also turn into meals for the rest of the week. So instead of turning to some easy something, a takeout meal or something that comes out of a box or a bag, I have leftovers of these that are going to turn into stew or shepherd's pie or something like that later in the week. I'm going to teach you how to do these things, how to grow, preserve, store food for your family that is going to feed your family no matter what happens with supply chains, no matter what happens with the grocery store. The last thing that we're going to have for dinner here is, you'll see I have to use, 2 hands to take this off, is my sourdough focaccia that's rising here and ready for our dinner today. I'm going to show you as well how to make sourdough bread, how to use stored foods that you can take and store and be ready all the time. And you never have to go to the grocery store because you can make these things for your family at home. And not only that, but they're more nutritious than anything that you're able to really get from a grocery store anywhere. So I hope you join me Saturday the 24th. I want you there because I want to help to give you that peace and security that you want, to be able to know that you're going to be able to provide food, healthy, nutritious, good food, save you money anytime, no matter what's going on in the world. Hope to see you there.